Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn on likes notifications on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app when using it on your PC. If you've noticed the platform recently rolled out a few design tweaks and new settings, don't worry. This guide will walk you through everything step by step so you don't miss a single like on your posts. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account, and once the homepage loads, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with icons and labels such as Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. Once you're inside the Notifications page, look to the upper right corner and find the Settings option. Click on it. This will open a new section where you can customize and control who and what you get alerts for. Next, under the Notification settings, choose Preferences. From there, you'll find a list of sections that help you manage specific types of notifications. Select Push Notifications. This is where you'll adjust what activity triggers alerts for your account. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Here you'll find several categories such as mentions, replies, retweets, and likes. To make sure you receive notifications every time someone likes your posts, go ahead and click on Likes. You'll then see a few options for filtering who can trigger notifications. Choose from anyone. This ensures that every single like, whether it comes from someone you follow or a new user, shows up in your notifications list. And that's it. You've successfully turned on likes notifications on the X app using your PC. From now on, every new like on your posts will instantly appear under your notifications, keeping you informed and engaged with your audience. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to check your settings every once in a while, since X updates its interface often. Staying up to date means you'll always have full control over your notifications.